Hi everybody, welcome to another Moon Whales video. I am CryptoSuit and today we'll be looking at Bitcoin and the craziness that's been happening over the past day and where we're likely to go from here and what the price action is actually doing. Before we get on to that, if you haven't yet checked out our Discord, please do so. The link is in the description of the video. It's a very active Discord community. We've got Bitcoin chat, altcoin chat, stocks. We've got TA, which we regularly update. As you can see here, altcoin TA as well. And we've got a free trades channel where we share our trades. You can see here, this one was posted today by another team member, Prodi, who is up currently 30%. And then as you can see here, we've been posting these trades as we've been taking them. Pretty successful, and you'll see that once you go through trades yourself. It is completely free, so do check it out. Okay, now on to the actual price action of Bitcoin. Well, we had this massive drop yesterday where it actually began around the 18th of June, so mid-June, and we kept falling, and it just accelerated. It really took off yesterday, where we fell all the way down to about 28,000. Now, if you watch the previous video that I posted on Bitcoin, I did point out this area of interest for you guys. So we dipped straight down to there, and the top of that was 28,839, the area of interest. That I pointed out to you guys. In fact, we can actually see here, what was it? 28,855 I had, and the price dropped down to 28,800. So I was only $80 off or so. So yeah, pretty chuffed about that. Hopefully it helped you guys, and hopefully you guys appreciated that. And we've bounced up since. The area still remained intact. One thing that this does mean is we've now pretty much confirmed the bottom line, which with another touch there. So the range is confirmed. We had the top line confirmed a while ago. The bottom line, we'd only had two touches, or no, sorry, one touch really. And so we've now confirmed that. So this is our range. We can have a middle of the range as well now, which will be about here. So I'll put that in as well for you guys to see. So let's put that about 36k, I think it is, there. So what this means is the price action it fell through and it fell down to our area of interest about straight up. If you took it along there, well done. And it's now on the way up. We're at our first resistance here, but it's more likely, it's a greater probability that we'll go up, hit the mid of the range. Now that's when things become interesting, because either we go through and we have a potential for another trade all the way up to the top of the channel, or we hit the midline and we have a swing failure pattern where we swing back down and we retest down here. Okay, so it goes, see if I can draw this using one of the drawing tools. Where's it gone? I'll find it later and draw it. But yes, so we could go here, hit the midline and come straight back down and retest the bottom of the range and see if that holds. Or if we go through, then that'll be another great opportunity, and then we test the top of the line there. But we are still in the range. As for this bullishness up here, yeah, it's bullish, but grand scheme of things, if you look at it zoomed out and 4 hour, nothing much has changed, guys. We're still in that same old range. We fell out of the range, came back into the range, and we actually closed within the range. So yeah, it was a good opportunity to take a long there, but grand scheme of things, we're still in that overall range bit. The downward trend pattern that we originally had going this one here, going from the 18th of June all the way down here, that has been broken now. We've broken up through that, so we have now got a slight upward momentum, and that's kind of confirmed with the higher lows on the RSI and on the MACD as well, and the fact that the price action is setting higher lows as well, so we can see that. But overall, it's Still pretty much the same doom and gloom, I'm afraid. We're ranging. We're not doom and gloom because we are still ranging and ranging. All waits to be seen if we break up from the top of the range, which is here, 40k. First point to look at though is the middle of the range, which is around 36k. If I zoom out as well, see the daily time frame. Again, not much has changed on the daily, as you can see, and it all becomes a little bit more clear when you do zoom out and look at the bigger picture of these things. If I put it on the 15-minute, then yeah, it would look bullish as hell. But down here, yes, you can see not much has moved. We are still just ranging. The other positive news you can take away from it is that one of the indicators that you look at, besides the higher lows and the trend change in the price, is where you see volume extremes. And we had this massive volume extreme of green candle, which often indicates a reversal pattern or start of a reversal pattern. I often look for two of these. We haven't had the second one yet, but yeah, so this is good news so far. But again, watch what happens around the middle of this range. We'll see if we hit it, come back down, or we go through it. If we come back down, as I said, retest this here. Hope that helps. I've been CryptoSuit. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. We are just starting up, so it would be amazing if you did. Hit that notification bell. We'll try and post as many videos as possible. If you have requests for altcoin videos, do put them in. Do comment and ask for what coin you'd like analysed, and we will try and get that done for you and uploaded. Thank you, and goodbye.